Hey, in this video I am going to talk about Wi-Fi Relay Module. I think you can gain more knowledge after watching this video. Here I use TTL converter to program Wi-Fi module. First ESP module was plugged in to TTL converter. Next, connect the ground pin and the input 0 pin of the TTL converter to switch the ESP-01 board to program mode. Then TTL converter was plugged into my laptop through the USB port. Next, let's access the Arduino IoT cloud and see how to proceed. Now we are in Arduino IoT cloud. Here we have to create an account in the Arduino IoT cloud. I create an account using my email. It will be easy for you to do the same. Next, we need to create a new project in the Arduino IoT cloud. Let's first see how to add variables to the project. Since we are going to light a bulb here, I will name this variable as lamp. Light is selected as the variable type. Now add the variable. Next, we have to add our device, which is controlled by the IoT cloud. Select ESP-8266 as the device type. Select the model as generic ESP-8266 module. Then click Continue. Next, we can put a name of our choice on the device. I will name this device as Basic01. Next, we can see an interface like this. Here is our device ID and secret key. Don't forget to download this file using the download option here. Next, we have to connect the device with a network. For this, enter my Wi-Fi SSID and password here. Also copy and paste the secret key we received earlier. Next, we have to create a dashboard related to this project. For that, I click on the dashboard above. After that, click on Build Dashboard and it will come to this window. There we can add things like push button, switch to our dashboard. I add a switch to my dashboard and link the variable I named in the previous sections with this switch. Next, we have to make the program. We can do it in Arduino IoT Cloud itself. First, let's name the output pin used in ESP-01 in the program. After that, we have to write down what should happen in the program. You can also use what I am writing. Okay, let's compile the program now. Okay, now we have to upload the program. Before this work, check whether the device is shown with the COM port on top of your sketch. Here is my program. Uploading to ESP-01 board. Next, I plug the ESP-01 module that I have programmed into the relay module. Next, I will tell you how to prepare the circuit needed to control a bulb with this relay module. First, connect the live wire of the bulb to the normally open port of the relay. Next, the live wire of our 230V supply is connected to the common port of the relay. Next, I connect the neutral wire of the bulb and the neutral wire of the power supply. The next thing to do is to provide the required DC power supply to this relay module. I connect two wires to it like this. I provide a regulated 5-volt supply to operate this module. Next, I will control my relay module smartly through the Arduino IoT app.